Hey everybody, welcome to Mike and Meg's Great Adventure.
Hello guys.
That's not fog that you see. Yeah, we're I know we're 130 miles from Sparks. It looks like there's a really bad wildfire just inside California, northwest of Sparks a little bit, but we've been in this for, I don't know, an hour now, honey?
Yeah.
About 300 miles from Sparks is when we first drove into this smoke. It's actually a little bit better right now than it was, but yeah, it's, I don't know, it must be a heck of a fire out there.
Yeah.
I told May I hope when we get to Reno, because the fire's northwest of Reno, I'm hoping maybe the smoke's blowing around Reno, because I hate the thought we're going to be waiting for this trailer, so we're going to be out here for 4 days. I hate the thought of dealing with this smoke for 4 days.
Yeah.
Probably my imagination, but I feel like my eyes are burning a little bit. Your mind plays tricks on you sometimes. When we were out here last time, some of you guys saw the video. There was a fire on top of the mountain right before California. You never know how those things work out. It didn't look like it was that bad, but they had helicopters getting water from the river coming up.
It's over there, you cannot see the mountain.
Yeah, you can't see any of
It's all
that.
the smoke.
But May and I saw this side of the mountain where they were putting the fire out. It's hard to say on the other side of the mountain how bad it was.
It's like fog, but it's not.
Yeah, it's weird. Even back in Wyoming, when we woke up, I told May it's kind of weird how there's like a haze in the air. And then the further we got out, like the thicker it was. And then I thought maybe it was smoke from like Salt Lake City. And then we got through there. And if you look at our rest area tour, you'll see in that there was a haze the whole way around. That was 400 miles from where the fire is.
Yes.
It must be a pretty bad one. It looks like it. I did the Siri thing and asked her if there were any wildfires around, and she brought up a wildfire site map, and that's when we saw it was just inside California.